Hi friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I shamelessly exploit my handsome, fat, and chubby kitty. And also take you behind the scenes of digital content creation, yay! Good morning friends, happy Wednesday. So my face is a little red right now. I just got out of the shower, obviously. I did a gentle scrub today and wanted to share that product with you before we start on our hair and makeup. This is one of my absolute favorite local to Connecticut brands called Flora Apothecary. It's her lavender and chamomile cleansing grains. So it's like a very fine powder. You basically just put a little bit in your hands and then you can add water or you can even add your own face wash to it, and it just adds like a very gentle scrub kind of texture. It's really, really nice. It's super natural, and I love her brand so much. She has so many great products, so definitely go check her out. So today he has offered to help me take some photos, and I'm really, really excited because it's actually a warm day out here in Connecticut. It's like in the mid 40s right now, which is like a heat wave. I'm really excited to get outside, take some cool shots, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna head to this really cute coffee truck, I guess. It's super retro looking, super vintage, got a lot of like red. Before I show you guys what I'm styling today, let's do some hair and makeup so I look a little bit more presentable. Okay, so today I am styling this amazing sweater, which I'm obsessed with. I love the color combinations. I think it's sort of a perfect piece to transition from winter to spring. A nice mix of prints. It's fun, different. I'm obsessed. So this is actually originally from Anthropologie, and I'm not gonna say that I thrifted it, but here in Connecticut, we have something called Retail 101, which is basically a gigantic warehouse. There's just boxes and boxes and boxes of clothes from brands like Free People, Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters, so many random brands. And what it is, I swear it's legal. Stores from the mall, if something is returned to the store, or if they have overstock, or if something is not circulating anymore in the store, basically the employees will send it to Retail 101, and then Retail 101 sells it at super, super discounted prices. You can find such good stuff there for literally dollars. Like, I have gotten Free People dresses for literally $2 before. They have different types of sales every single week. I spent like $5 on this Anthropologie sweater. Awesome, awesome deal. I'm obsessed. I've gotten so much stuff there. Sadly, I can't say if this exists in other states, but it is here in Connecticut, so if you want the deets, let me know. So I'm slowly starting to transition my Instagram color theme, as you can sort of see here behind me on my rack, from pink and red to blue and green for a more spring vibe. So I am pairing that sweater with these boots, which you guys might recognize if you follow Teza on Instagram. They are her collaboration with Aldo Shoes. I love these boots. They're such a statement piece. They're so much fun. They have like a little steel toe, chunky heel. They're super, super comfortable, and they were definitely a splurge that I have worn many, many times. So we're gonna style that. I'm just styling it with a pair of Levi's and a blue hat that I have, and we're gonna go and take some pics at that really cute little coffee shop. Yay, we are on our way. Say hi. So this is our location for today, this cute little coffee trailer. Definitely come check it out. It is in Glastonbury, Connecticut. So I wasn't sure which direction I wanted to go in when it came to my preset collections today, and you guys know that I use my own preset collections, which are available up on my blog, and that brand is called In Color Presets. There are a ton of different collections, and I ended up editing these photos with the primary collection, and I chose the preset NYC. I really like how it was really contrasty, the reds were still really bright. I did make a couple of adjustments, and then you can actually just click copy and then paste right onto all of the other photos that you would like to edit with that same preset and adjustments. With some of the sky photos, I also wanted to add in a more interesting sky, let's say. So this is actually really easy to do in the new and updated version of Photoshop. All you have to do is click Edit and then Sky Replacement, and you can choose from a whole bunch of different skies. Up the ground just a little bit to make everything look just a little bit neater. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and make sure to check out last week's video as well. New videos are coming out every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, let me know what you guys think. If you have questions, I'm here for you. See you guys next time.